everyone! Welcome back to Knowledge Chronicle.
Imagine looking up at the night sky and watching an entire galaxy grow bigger, brighter, and closer every single day. No explosions, no sound, just two massive cosmic giants slowly moving toward a dramatic encounter. Today, we're diving into one of the most extraordinary future events of our universe. What will happen when the Milky Way collides with the Andromeda Galaxy? This isn't science fiction, it's guaranteed to happen. What is a galaxy? To understand this collision, we first need to know what a galaxy truly is. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars, while Andromeda, our nearest large neighbor, is even bigger. Andromeda lies 2.5 million light-years away. A light-year is the distance that light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels in 1 year. Why are they moving toward each other? The answer is gravity. Just like Earth pulls us downward, galaxies pull on each other across millions of light-years. Milky Way and Andromeda are locked in a gravitational dance, slowly drifting toward each other at 110 kilometers per second. When will the collision happen? According to scientists, the first major collision will occur in about 4 billion years. It sounds far away, but in cosmic time, it's almost like tomorrow. So, what will the collision look like? Well, a galaxy collision is nothing like a car crash or an explosion. Since galaxies are mostly empty space, stars rarely ever collide. But, gravity will dramatically reshape both galaxies. Phase 1. Galactic distortion. As Andromeda approaches, both galaxies will stretch, twist, and warp. Their spiral arms will pull apart like long cosmic ribbons. Millions of stars will be thrown out of their original orbits. Phase 2. Chaos among the stars. During the collision, gravity will send stars flying like cosmic slingshots. Some stars will actually be ejected far out into intergalactic space. Meanwhile, others will gather to form bright new regions, where star formation will just explode, as giant gas clouds crash into each other. So, what about our solar system? Well, the good news is that our solar system is very unlikely to collide with any star. But, the bad news is that our position in the galaxy will change completely. Right now, we sit in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms. After the collision, the solar system could be thrown into a new orbit, possibly further away from the galactic center, or maybe even closer than before. Now, what about the sun? By the time this collision happens, the sun will be reaching the end of its life. It'll begin expanding into a red giant, and could possibly engulf Earth. So, even though the galactic collision itself isn't really dangerous for us, the dying sun could be. And then, the birth of a new galaxy. Eventually, after millions of years of merging and reshaping, the Milky Way and Andromeda will become a single massive galaxy. Scientists call this future galaxy Milkdromeda or Milkomeda. Its center will shine brighter than ever before, powered by the merging of two supermassive black holes, one from each galaxy. So, what happens when black holes merge? Both galaxies actually have these giant black holes right at their centers. When the galaxies combine, the black holes will slowly spiral toward each other, and eventually they'll merge. This process releases these incredibly powerful gravitational waves, basically ripples in space-time. Will future humans see this? If humanity survives and looks at the sky billions of years from now, they will witness a breathtaking sight. Andromeda will grow larger and brighter each night. The sky will become filled with massive glowing arcs of stars. It will be one of the most beautiful celestial sights in the history of life. Is the collision dangerous for life? Not directly. There won't be explosions or instant destruction. The danger won't come from the galaxies. It will come from long-term changes in star positions and the future of our sun. But the collision itself is a slow, graceful transformation of the cosmos. The Milky Way-Andromeda collision reminds us of one powerful truth. Even galaxies are not permanent. Everything in the universe is constantly moving, changing, and evolving. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of our galaxy, let me know what cosmic mystery you want to explore next. Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content.